How to understand tier credits versus reward credits in Caesars Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, tier credits can determine your tier status, which is gold, platinum, diamond, or 7 stars, while reward credits are your coins to use towards room, food, and entertainment purchases at any Caesars entertainment property. One reward credit is equal to 1 cent, and for every tier credit you earn, you will receive 1 reward credit. Additionally, you may earn extra reward credits throughout the day based on the type of game you are playing, your average bet, and your length of play. This is how to understand tier credits and reward credits in Caesars Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.